Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in Grammar Point, another episode. Grade 4, topic masculine and feminine. Previous knowledge को चेक करते हैं कि what is noun. A noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. हमारा जो आज का टॉपिक मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन या मुज़क्कर और मुअन्नस, उसका ताल्लुक भी नाउन के टाइप यानी अक़साम से है. So dear friends, masculine and feminine are types of nouns. Let's start the exercise. Masculine, male. Words for men, boys and male animals. मुज़क्कर यानी नर के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. ये आदमी, लड़के और नर जानवर के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Feminine for female. Words for women, girls and female animals. ये मुअन्नस यानी कि मादा के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, जैसे कि औरतें और लड़कियाँ. Let's start the activity. Yes, you see in this activity, feminine for female, words for female girls and female animals, as like girl, queen, sister, lioness, hen, aunt. Masculine for male, words for men, boys and male animals, as like boy, king, brother, lion, rooster, uncle. Review of the lesson. क्या आप बता सकते हैं इन मुअन्नस के मुज़क्कर? Very good. You are able now to tell the masculine of these feminine as like father, grandfather, husband, son, rooster. यानी कि बाप, दादा, शौहर, बेटा और मुर्गा. Time for home task. Change the underlined feminine nouns to masculine. Feminine nouns लिखे हुए हैं यानी मुअन्नस लिखे हुए हैं, आपने इसको मुज़क्कर में तब्दील करना है. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in Grammar Point, another episode. Grade 4, topic singular and plural, which is the type of noun. In previous lesson we learned about type of noun. So let's start the lesson. Singular noun. When a noun refers to only one person, place, animal or thing, it is said to be singular noun. यानी किसी एक चीज़, जगह, शख्स के लिए कहा जाए तो वो वाहिद इसम कहलाता है. Let's start the exercise. Yes, you see in the picture one apple, यानी कि एक सेब. Yes, another example, one book, यानी कि एक किताब, यानी वाहिद किताब. Another example, one boy, यानी कि एक सिंगल लड़का, वाहिद लड़का. Now next, plural noun, यानी इस पे जमा. When a noun refers to more than one, यानी एक से ज़्यादा के लिए इस्तेमाल हो, persons, places, animals or things, it is said to be a plural noun, यानी कि जमा कहलाते हैं. Now exercise. See 3 apples, यानी कि 3 सेब, जबकि वाहिद में 1 apple था. Yes, you betterly know that what is the difference in these picture. In singular, one book, but in plural, many books. Yes, that's very good. Now you know, in singular, one boy, but in plural, 4 boys. Yes, these are plural noun. So You understand that what is plural and singular noun, यानी एक से ज़्यादा को plural noun कहते हैं. Let's start review of the lesson कि आज हमने इस लेसन में क्या पढ़ा. आज हमने सिंगुलर नाउन एंड प्लूरल नाउन के बारे में पढ़ा. चार्ट में आपको सिंगुलर नाउन और प्लूरल नाउन की एग्जांपल्स नज़र आ रही हैं. Hope you will understand today's lesson. Homework. In homework, make a list of 10 singular and plural noun. Hope you will enjoy the lesson. Please subscribe. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in Grammar Point, another episode. Okay kids, before going on our topic, do you remember what is noun? Yes, a noun is name of a person, place, animal or thing. Yes, good. Very good. यानी इसम किसी चीज़, जगह या शख्स या जानवर के नाम को कहते हैं. Before going on exercise, let's know about the types of noun. Common noun, proper noun, singular noun, plural noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, masculine noun, feminine, concrete noun, abstract noun and collective noun. It's time for activity. So let's start the activity. Zarq is going to Peshawar in his car. Zarq is the name of a person. Peshawar is the name of a city. Car is the name of a thing. इस सरगर्मी में हमने शख्स, चीज़ और जगह के बारे में जाना, यानी इन जुमलों में हमने इसकी पहचान की. So let's more practice in this activity. Underline the nouns in these sentences. First, the box is made of wood. The line split under the tree. Ali was waiting for the bus. The soldier is very brave. Yes, in this sentence we identify the box, thing, line, animal, Ali, person, bus, thing, soldier, person. So we identify in this sentence the noun. Time of review. So let's check. The museum is closed on Sunday. The car was parked in front of the house. She was trying to catch the ball. I could not see the boy in the crowd. My teacher is very nice to the class. He left his bag at the school. In this sentence we identify the noun. In first sentence, museum place. In first sentence, museum place. In second sentence, car, thing. In third sentence, ball, thing. The another, boy, person. Teacher, person. School, place. Now kids, tell me, what do you learn today? Yes, noun, names of people, places, animals or thing. Yes, good. It's time for home task. Make a list of 10 nouns from home. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in Grammar Point, another episode. So let's start the lesson. A word that is used in the place of noun is called pronoun. He, she, it, they, him, I, you, etc. For example, we have Sana is a girl. Sana is a noun. She is a girl. She is a pronoun. एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो कि इसम की जगह इस्तेमाल होता हो, इसमें ज़मीर कहलाता है. जैसे सना जो है ये इसम है और शी जो है, शी इसमें ज़मीर है. इस तरह हमें पता चला कि इसमें ज़मीर यानी प्रोनाउन को हम इंग्लिश में कैसे यूज़ करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रैक्टिस. a pronoun, how we use. We have a pronoun word he. This is my father. He is an engineer. We have another example, she. This is my mother. ये मेरी माँ है. Advocate. वो एक वकील है. अब इसमें she जो है ये एक और pronoun we. My family and I live in a big city. We have a house. अब इसमें we जो है वो pronoun है. We have another pronoun I, it. I have a cat. It is called Mano. इस जुमले में I जो है pronoun है. We have another plural pronoun they. I have two sisters. They are Nadia and Sadia. Let's review of the lesson. A pronoun take the place of a common noun or a proper noun. The words I, you, he, she, it and they are called. Let's some more practice. This is Maha. She likes reading. She is a pronoun. इसमें she जो है वो pronoun है. Maha जो है वो noun है. Now we have another sentence. This is the Mr. Riya's family. They are happy. इसमें they जो है ये pronoun है. Mr. Riya's noun है. So today we learn about pronoun. Ali is an intelligent boy. He is an intelligent boy. In this sentence, Ali noun, he pronoun. Complete the sentence by using the pronoun given: she, he, her, it, they, his, their. This is your home assignment. My father goes to work by dash car dash drives well. I hope you will understand about pronoun very well. Allah Hafiz. But please, before going on signing up, please subscribe my channel. Must. For another grammar point episode.